I was deeply shocked that some of the very people you have appointed called me after last post. One of them with reckless arrogance said, "Let the drunkard go ahead. He will be shocked." It reminded me of how Julius Caesar and Alexander Macron died. Sir, respectfully, Ghana will not return to the days of endless rule. Ghana will not gamble with its stability. Ghana will not grow greedy and selfish ambition to override the constitution. Let this be a warning. The two-term limit is non-negotiable. It is the people's covenant with democracy, and it shall be defended with vigilance. Ezabusia ni nyina kanfo an wo se wo de wodo pa e na eltro sakrate yi e de ama ye mampenin John Dramani Mahama free say wonim sene ne ho kani eye maame lodi na Mahama abreni nyina wodi wo no Okatakyi Afrifa ho nkomo e de che na konta ya owo enkwanza enu nti sa enkomo na ekoso no eno e na ama wodi sa wodo no ene ahokeka no eltro sakrate yi e de ama ye mampenin John Dramani Mahama nti ebeya wofa sakrate ya watrama ni enkwa dwedwenim na wonwene ho yie pa se wosusu wabɔ na adwene mu pɔ obi tu no fubi se wɔnkɔta etem na Ghana fa gyina tum de wɔ se ma wɔn na enso saa da wie no ɛna wɔ se ɛyɛ nkrɔfo ne dia enti for the people, for the and for our country. Abusia sawo yo obi a wodi wabro e wo social media no so wo say emia be ma Okatakyi Afrifa na wodwudwumade bi a ye frɛ se for the records eno no wode ba ebebo aban na chi ni aban no ye ya enkoyie no eno na Okatakyi Afrifa ebaba ye na afi wa set records no straight e de ama Ghana fo na sabra me no e ka say de woni o man Ghana wakwa kopiem e wa monone ya wakwa kotso na desua eso na Okatakyi Afrifa e de krata bi akọ e de ama ye mampene John Dramani Mahama ni nyina e ye tetem agenda ye obi bese adane rumors ene nam framo ne na media no so na monten so ne ko krata na epiem kakra nipa miasa na edi nkomo na kopiem kakra amanyafo na ehia na kopiem kakra ni nyina e kire se mampene John Dramani Mahama aye na adwena na se ebi mo kire se obetimi akọ tetem eno Okatakyi Afrifa atena se afa pen ready busia wa afa pen wotena se efa machine ode ne sesisi so na wo type ne papa ede go media no so ede my mampene John Dramani Mahama akwaya kokobon nsem akwaya entrene bo abusia akwaya afutu sem bebre ya wode my mampene John Dramani Mahama na yebekọ ensem ni mu na makan ensem no ede amaw na eye too much GHS so mesre se obemi subscribe button na ya kai se wode bell no ebeka ho se ne be na upload ni to mpe woni first person ya wonsa ebidi kan akabusia mayembo room na yenkọ krata Okatakyi Afrifa atro e de ama ye mampene John Dramani Mahama wo sha ase no na wo se dear Mahama, don't go ahead with your plan. Na trese utiri mu po insusu ya wo susu no se wo pese wo kotetem agenda no we Okatakyi Afrifa e trese de bi kra men ko sa tetem agenda na se san susu ye no enya wadwene se wo de ba be ye adwuma ebusia wo se it's 1 a.m. in Trump's land and I bring you greetings. I was deeply shocked that some of the very people you have appointed called me after last post. One of them with reckless arrogance said, "Let the drunkard go ahead. He will be shocked." It reminded me of how Julius Caesar and Alexander Macron died. Sir, respectfully, take a good look at the picture down below. These men at some point had fools around them who made them feel untouchable, but when the time came, they were left to their fate. Abusia me bonnet of fan ede wuchi kasamu dia mawa watch say na hudwiri ye pa na ye ne nwanwa say ye mampene John Dramani Mahama wonu ankasa ne nkrofo a wa point wo mo ankasa ene frɛ wo no Okatakyi Afrifa no na wo mo de sa ensemi etu nanim na wo se asem ba ko a obi kra eka ya egu na wo se no we no eye quote say let the drunkard go ahead. That is a sebio empedu asampenefo mo ni mu amakɔwe nsani no enye na adwene se wo to aso no ankasa no as ne ka wo behu no eno ebe ne nwanwa yie pa na eno na wo kyerɛ ne se sa ensem na wo ka ye nti no ma no akai Julius Caesar ene Alexander Macron de kwan ya wo mo fa so a womu ewu ye na we no se ebuo ni die kwan so pa wo sere man pani John Dramani Mahama say sa emfoni wo de won hye dantena sedi na won twamfoni e wo nani so na wo hu se ebribi duye a sa empenifo ye wo bo wo din Alexander ene serious season na wo mo enkrofo bi e wo mo ho a wo no Okatakyi Afrifa no in court no wo from se wo mo nimu nyansa sebe wo mo yagimifo na wo sa nkrofo no e wo no ho a wo mo atwa ne ho ahia na wo mo fele se wo mo ne yemfa yensa nkom ye nkomasem ye mo kyemso obi ani ho wo manim no wo machi no wo a na eko na so ebre no so ye no wo nyina edwane ye ema ekasa empenifo no kwase afede wo ne wo hyebre na ebedin ebusia meto aso say this shows the dangerous cycle of sycophants who embolden leaders to defy the masses, whispering false assurance and mocking the will of the people. History teaches us that such fools make men feel untouchable, but when the time of reckoning comes, they vanish, leaving their masters to face the consequences alone. Again, the Constitution speaks with clarity and finality. Article 66 Clause 2 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana declares a person shall not be elected to hold office as President of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Whether consecutive or not consecutive, once a person has been elected twice, the Constitution bars them forever from seeking the presidency again. This provision was not written by accident. It was born out of our painful history of coups, authoritarianism, and the dangers of unchecked power. It is a safeguard for democracy, a shield for the people, and a reminder that no one man is greater than the republic. Across the world, history has shown what happens when the leaders attempt to defy such limits. In Guinea, Alpha Condé forced a third term upon the people, only to be swept away by a coup as citizens rose in resistance. In Cote d'Ivoire, Al-Hassan Ouattara third terms bid ignite unrest and bloodshed, leaving scars on the nation's democracy fabric. Etabusiam na mesan abonyama kan so tofa ede amawa watch say oba wo man Ghana mu a ye mamra na ye de bo wo man Ghana ho bra no 1992 constitution no article 66 clause 2 no watch say ma wo bia ekwan mienu pe akonya no ye mienu pe se obi ba be Ghana man pani tete mo bia ni ho ya wo constitution no watch say sa emra no ya tro ne keke ye tro ya wa Ghana fo efa mu ku ahodro ye nya ye tumi a obi nya ya na wodi tietie obi fa ahodie so nyina ena penifo ase a ye tro sa constitution enu nti mema kwanti nkro bi enye na dwene se wo ba betu sa constitution no ade egu ekoba ne sa de a ene enkonkoye papa kwa wo penifo bebre ya wo oman ewiase afana ba bi te se Guinea Bissau ba bi te se Cote d'Ivoire bra Alassane Ouattara eye na adwene so wo beko biom ne nyina wo bobo so e de kyerɛkyerɛ mampani John Dramani Mahama se saa de we ne nyina penifo we mu na ye o madwene se wo mo so mu nya akonya be mampani na afi ye mo kondo ye so mbeko tetem na amafo no eso regional e ma ka mami nkabi e na ebedi eso enkunim. In Colombia, Alvaro Obi's ambition for a third term was blocked by the Constitutional Court, proving that the Constitution can stand firm against overreach. These examples remind us that when leaders overstay their welcome, the people resist and democracy fight. Bole Indi Amin, you have already served your 2 term. Any attempt to test the boundaries of the sacred clause is not only unconstitutional, but a direct assault on the democratic will of the people, and we shall be guided by the Article 3 accordingly. Ghana will not return to the days of endless rule. Ghana will not gamble with its stability. Ghana will not grow greedy and selfish ambition to override the Constitution. Let this be a warning. The 2-term limit is non-negotiable. It is the people's covenant with democracy, and it shall be defended with vigilance. Some of us don't want to be a line in a page of someone's history. We want to own a whole chapter, so don't give us the chance. I write you these letters out of love because I know how Mama Lodina continually complains to your brother-in-law from Nkranza about me, for the people, for the honor, for our country. And I feel the hashtag focus, hashtag precisely so. Ejabusia ni nyina akamfo no say what the word pa and a eltro sakrate e de ama ye mampanin John Dramani Mahama fi say wonim sene ne ho kani eye maame lodi na mahama abre nyina wodi wono Okatakyi Afrifa ho nkomo ede che na konta ya owo enkranza enu nti saa enkomo na ekoso no eno na ama wodi saa wodo no ene amkeka no trust akrata yi ede ama ye mampanin John Dramani Mahama nti ebeya won fa saa akrata yi a watrama ni enkwa adwendwenim na wonwene ho yie pa se wasusu wabɔ na adwene mu pɔ obi tu ne fu bi se won kɔta etem na Ghana fa gyina tum de wo se ma won na enso saa da wie no na wo se eye nkrofo ne dia enti for the people for the and for our country and what this ankrata yi aba precisely so ebusia we ene ensem ya Okatakyi Afrifa etroye edema ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama message say wo so bejaje nkyere e wo comment section ho ede amame all the social media handles no eye too much gh or subscribe like no wa share na afofo so enye bia hwe midin eye dark gold mackerel.